Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Mercedes-Benz debut AMG version of the second generation GLC. Here we have it, the AMG version of the second generation GLC, the GLC 43 and GLC 63 SE, and they do not use V6 or V8 powertrain. The GLC 43 uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with a mild hybrid boss. The new GLC 43 produces 421 PS and 500 Nm of torque. The outgoing V6 produces 390 PS and 650 Nm of torque. It is expected to do 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.8 seconds, a 0.1 second decrease from the V6. Top speed will be limited to 250 km per hour or 155 miles per hour. Now we come to the GLC 63 SE AMG. This used the same powertrain as the C63 SE AMG unveiled back in September 2022. It combines a 476 PS 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine plus an electric motor and a 6.1 kWh battery to get a combined power output of 680 PS and 1020 Nm of torque. The outgoing V8 produces 510 PS and 700 Nm, 0 to 100 km per hour in the GLC 63 SE AMG is expected in 3.5 seconds and will go flat out at 272 km per hour or 170 miles per hour. The battery can travel in electric-only mode for 12 km or 7.5 miles. Both models are standard with Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a 9-speed auto. Inside, you will find an 11.9-inch infotainment display as well as a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, while Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. There will be GLC Coupe AMG variant coming later on. Prices for the second generation GLC AMG models have not been confirmed yet, but these are scheduled to go on sale in the coming month.